Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, today I want to talk to you about Intellia and Regeneron partnership for Hemophilia B because something important has happened out there. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Intellia has decided to exit its partnership with Regeneron on Hemophilia B. Yes, you heard it right. They made the call to step away from the agreement they made back in 2020 with Regeneron, where they were splitting 35% of the development costs and taking 35% of the profits. Now, what does that mean for both the parties? Well, Regeneron is stepping up to take the lead. Lucky for them, they were already playing a major role in the Hemophilia B pipeline, so this move won't disrupt the progress of Regeneron in that area. But let's talk dollars and cents. For Intellia, pulling out of this partnership means they will not be sharing any of the program costs, which means their cash runway extends. And they will miss out on some of the profits from the Hemophilia B program. However, it's not all bad news. There's still going to be a situation where they are in line for potential milestone payments, which could add up to a hefty $320 million overall. And they will also be getting royalties from other programs. Now, don't worry, their Hemophilia A program is still ongoing. It's going strong. They are continuing their work on a separate gene editing program focused on Hemophilia A. So this parting of ways with Regeneron has not affected the Hemophilia A program for Intellia. And here's the kicker: even though they are parting ways on Hemophilia B, Intellia is still keeping the door open for collaboration with Regeneron. They are pledged to support Regeneron if they need a hand with the Hemophilia B program in the future. Meanwhile, over at Regeneron, they have got some exciting progress on their Hemophilia B front. The FDA has given them the green light for their gene insertion program to move forward with a clinical trial set for mid-2024. And get this, they are still able to develop a CRISPR-based therapy under a separate agreement, which could mean even more cash flowing Intellia's way in the form of those milestone payments. And oh, let's not forget about Hemophilia A. Intellia is holding on to 35% stake in the Factor 13 insertion program for that. So they have still got some skin in the game there. So overall, I think it's a question of how you look at it, whether you look at it as glass half full or half empty. I'm being an optimist and I would look at this as a positive development for Intellia. And let us go and have a quick look at their price chart before we end this video, and let us see how the market has reacted to this. Well, friends, here we are in the chart for Intellia. There are some interesting things that I would like to point out here. We had a head and shoulder formation and we had put a price target of 35.29 for Intellia, and you will see that there was a huge spike out here on the 26th of February. This and the remaining two candles out here are the result of Cathy Woods buying Intellia shares on the 26th of February 2024, and that boosted the sentiment for this share, and it went up for 2 consecutive days, and then it started coming back down again. And today we have seen a loss of around 2.68% as the market received the news that Intellia and Regeneron have parted ways for Hemophilia B therapy. And the chart has suddenly become a little weaker out here. So we are not likely to meet this reverse head and shoulder target of 35.19. And I think the closest we came to that was 34.81. Since then we have been downhill. I'm going to draw one more trend line to see if we have a bull channel out here in which we may travel. But unfortunately that doesn't seem to work out. I don't think we are in a bull channel yet. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow and whether we are going to bounce off from this level. So right now it seems to me that the share is going to lose a little more in the next week before it starts to gain. That's how I would leave it. That's all for now, my friends, and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. Please let me know if you hold the shares of Intellia. Put it in the comments below if you have any comments or any thoughts about this stock. I'm thinking it's going to be weak in the following week. It's going to be going down further before it picks up. There might be a little bit of consolidation. But overall, I don't think this is very bad news. There is still residual relationship left and progress on Hemophilia A for Intellia and Hemophilia B for Regeneron. So everybody is good in their own place. With that, my friends, we'll catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.